Okay, let's have a continuing discussion of business communication. So today we will be focusing on nonverbal, using effective nonverbal communication in different situations. For example, in one-on-one, effective nonverbal technique is maintain good eye contact, use open posture, and nod to show understanding. That's one-on-one. For example, a manager leans forward slightly and maintains relaxed eyes contact while listening to an employee. So that's it. No? So eye contact. Application building trust and rapport in mentoring and performance appraisal. So that's it. And then in group discussion, non-verbal. So you use inclusive gestures, look at different participants, show engagement through body orientation. So example of that one, group leader makes open hand gestures and rotates eye contact among group members. Okay, application encouraging participation and inclusivity in team meetings. So that's uh, group group discussion. Okay, this is an effective nonverbal techniques. So for a presentation, now what is it? So stand confident, use appropriate facial expression and gestures to emphasize points, smile naturally in presentation. So that's the use of nonverbal. So example, speaker use hand movements to stress key ideas and smiles to connect with the audience. So that's it. So application engaging audience and reinforcing key messages during public speaking. Online meeting. So sit upright, maintain eye contact with the camera or facial expression and hand gesture visibly. So example, a team member smiles and nods while another person is speaking during a Zoom call. So that's nonverbal, no? Application maintaining professionalism and engagement during virtual collaboration. So that is for the nonverbal. Okay, so let's have a types of written communication. We have email, no? So email explanation, quick formal, informal communication between individuals. Team, no? Example, sending project update to a team application, daily internal communication, and client outreach. No? So because financiers need a update, no? Letter, so that is a formal document. That is letter, formal document often sent externally to clients, customers, or partners. So example job offer letters sent to successful candidate. So application formal external communication and record keeping. So report, what is this? Detailed document presenting information, findings, or recommendation as a result of something. And then example financial report analyzing quarterly performance, application decision making support for management. So true report. Essays, what is this? Structured analysis or discussion often used in training or consultancy. So example essay discussing leadership style in management training. Application professional development and consultancy services. Spreadsheet, what is this? Organized data calculation usually in the business or plans in tabular format. So use spreadsheet for decision, rows and column. No? Uh, Example, sales forecast spreadsheets for the next quarter because there's a column, no? Q1, Q2, Q3. And then application data analysis, financial planning, and performance tracking. Policies now, official statement outlines rules and regulation of the company. So example, equal opportunity employment. So application guiding organizational behavior and ensuring compliance. That's the policy. Procedures, step-by-step. What is this? Step-by-step instruction on how to complete tasks. No? Usually in the work. So example, procedure for handling customer complaints. Usually in HR. No? Application ensuring consistency and quality operations. Business plan, what is this? Comprehensive documents detailing company's objective and strategy. So example, startup business plan submitted to investors for approval so that investors can give money. Application strategic planning and security investment or loans. No? So these are the different types of written communications. This is very important to business. Okay, so we'll continue then our discussion in the next segment. Thank you for now.